American Express online banking sign up. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign up for American Express online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically sign up for American Express online banking, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all go to americanexpress.com, tap on login button. Now since we don't have our banking account, right, we can't log in, so we're trying to create new account, so we can tap on create new online account here. And once we tap on create new online account, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface. Now over here, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your card details to set up a new card. And once you've done that, you can also enter the 4-digit card ID, then tap on the confirm option here. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically sign up for American Express online banking. This way you can sign up for American Express online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.